You guys, I did it. I bought a Cricut. Hey, I'm Brooke and I'm that new teacher. I am a 6th, 7th, and 8th grade English teacher in Northern California, and this is my very first time ever using a Cricut. I've never seen a Cricut, I've never used a Cricut before, but this is my adventure setting it up. So if you're a beginner and you're a little intimidated, stick around and you can watch me try. We're gonna do this. I have never opened a Cricut. I've never even seen a Cricut in my real life. But since we're doing school the way that we're doing, I'm gonna be on a cart and I'm going to 6 different classes and I have to make bulletin boards in every single class. And I was like, it's now or never. I had a decent sized Michael's credit. I got mine at Michael's and here we go. All right, opening it for the first time. I ended up with the Explore Air 2. And I got, okay, what is this? Okay. I see, and this was the stuff that I didn't even know. I was like, I hear things about little grips you need. So apparently it comes with one of those. I was like, I don't know what I'm supposed to buy. I was texting teacher friends. Like, what comes in this? What do I need with this? A little package, a little welcome pack. Okay, okay. With instructional videos and tutorials. Much needed, for sure. Ooh, it's pretty. So there's the whole thing. It comes with the power cord. What do we got here? Remove. I can do that. Maybe I should read the instructions. Okay, we've got welcome and tutorials. Let's get started. Yes. 1. Unleash this beauty. Oh, that's cute. And then it has the steps on the back. Oh, that's cute. Okay. Plug in and power on your fabulous new Cricut machine. Okay, it said plug it in, power it on. So I'm gonna press the power button, which is over here. Cool. Okay, step 2, get connected. Go to Cricut.com/setup and we'll walk you through every step. So I looked on a different YouTube video and saw that it can attach via Bluetooth through my phone. So that's how I'm gonna try to set it up instead of going to Cricut.com. We'll see. Maybe I should follow the directions better. But that's what my app looks like. I'm Android. You can make fun of me. Go ahead, whatever. But there's a sign in button or machine setup. So I'm gonna click machine setup and see what happens. So I can pick what type. I'm almost too close to anything. Okay, so it looks like it tells me to pick the type of, you can kind of see. It tells me to pick the type of machine I have. Oh, now I have to create my ID. I'm gonna pause you because that's boring stuff. Okay, so I got my ID. Now it's putting me back to this. So I'm picking that I got an Explorer. And now it's saying go. Like, what do? I don't know. So let's go to the next step. During setup, we'll make a practice project with materials in the box. Fun! Okay, so it says to plug it in and tap this Bluetooth button to connect. It doesn't do anything. Maybe it's in here somewhere. Open. Oh, there's styrofoam in there. Probably need to get rid of that. I don't see a Bluetooth button. Okay, so I just clicked continue to see what happens and it gave me permissions and now it says connect Explorer. So push the plus sign to pair a new machine. Pair your machine by tapping on the pair button. I can't find the pair button. The pair button. Oh no. Oh no. Enter pin. It gives me an example to try. 0000. Let's go for it. Success. Connect. Looks like the next thing it has me do is register my machine to my account. So I'm accepting the terms and conditions and clicking register. And I'm all set up. Yay! Next, grab this access plan. See, now for that is what I was wondering about, was because my friends were telling me that they pay like a monthly fee to use their Cricut. I'm gonna click maybe later and see what I can do for free, because that was one of my big concerns. Let's test a cut. You guys, this is exciting. I got some choices here. I'm going with mountains because that's my theme in my classroom, so that's pretty cool. Oh, or you can skip the test cut. Well, I'm gonna do the mountains because actually, I don't have any paper. Oh yeah, it came with little things. Okay, let's see if it tells me what to do. Okay, I picked the mountain, clicking next. Select turn to cardstock, it says. So we have a dial, I'm gonna bring it with me. So I'm assuming it's telling me to turn to cardstock because that's what's kind of provided for you in the kit. So we've got prepare for the cut. Step 1, place cardstock on the mat's top left corner. Top left corner. Okay, but in this picture, it has this grid thing down, so I'm gonna do that, even though it didn't tell me to, because that seems like the right move. It comes with this light grip mat, and I'm thinking that's required. It's in, I don't know. Huh? Yeah, because I'm looking at this picture and it has this little thing on it. It looks right. Right? Grid side up. It's very sticky. Okay, top left corner. We're going in. Okay, it sticks though. Okay, it looks like they're aligning it with a line, so that's what I'm gonna do. Top left corner. Wait. Ha! Okay, I think I stick it to the paper. Like the paper's sticky. The grippy, if you will. So I'm gonna try. That's not straight. Okay, that's still not straight, but I think it's good enough. All right, and we got this thing in the thing gripped. All right, swiping, it's telling me confirm the blade is set in place in clamp B. This looks like a blade in a clamp, so I'm gonna stick with that. No. Oh, it wasn't. Okay. It's in now. Okay. Push mat up under the guides toward the rollers. Now I believe that's what I've already done. That's what I was doing. They're touching the rollers. Keep going. Press the flashing load unload button on the machine. So when I was looking for the Bluetooth pairing button, I actually pushed this button. So I think I need to push it again. Maybe. Now it's flashing. Put them in. Okay. Now it says push the flashing go button. Here we go. Okay, I'm about to push the go button. Let's see what happens. Oh, and then my phone is giving me progress reports. It says cut in progress. Oh my gosh. Oh no, it's cutting the grip. It's cutting the grip. This is not right. It's not working right. I jacked it up. It says test cut complete. Yeah. Okay, so I did something wrong in the loading process. Now I gotta push unload. But I think I never really loaded it. So here's what it did. It cut the mat and not the paper. So I'm gonna try again. So I just pretended like I was setting up a new machine again, flipped through the connection things, and got back to my mountain. So let's try again. We selected the material as cardstock. We placed it on the top left of the mat like it looks in the picture. Okay, push mat up under the guide toward the rollers. Done. It's there. Okay. Push the flashing unload load button. Oh, okay. So the last time I pushed that, it didn't like feed into, now it's under the roller, so I bet this is gonna work. Okay, I'm pushing go, and I'm gonna film it from here too because I think a close-up will be cool. Are you ready? Take 2. I pushed go. Nothing's happening. Oh, that's a selfie. It's working! Okay, it actually worked. Okay, let's see. Okay, don't see yet. We have to push the unload button. And it spat it out. Spat. Here's what it looks like.
Hey, Mom.
Hi, baby.
What you doing?
I'm trying out my new cutting machine.
And are you on a camera?
I'm on a camera, yes.
Oh.
Okay, it looks like you just peel it off. It says, that's it. Remove the cut image and material from the mat. So this looks like it comes off easier, and I'm left with that. It's working! Here's my mountain! Yay, it worked! I can put this on my bulletin board. It's tiny, but I'm sure you can adjust the sizes or something. And then here's the remnants of my mountain. I hope you enjoyed coming along on the adventure while I figured out Cricut for the first time. It was not perfect in my first time, but it was actually pretty easy and way less intimidating than I thought it would be. So I will probably follow up with a video talking about how I use it to make my bulletin boards this year, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you next time. Bye!